How to create Sweetcoin account. Creating a Sweetcoin account is quite easy and simple. Simply follow all the steps till the end. First, launch the Sweetcoin app on your device. Ensure that you have already installed and downloaded through Play Store or App Store on your device. Once it opens, you will get access to this kind of interface. Now tap Sign up with Google at the bottom of the screen. Choose the Google account and tap Continue as tick at the bottom of the screen. You need to wait for a moment or a while. Now in this section you have to access physical activity. Tap on Access Physical Activity button at the bottom of the screen and allow Sweatcoin to access your physical activity. If you wish to not allow, tap Not Allow. Now here you have to go through all of this information and tap Enable Google Feed, or else you can also skip as per your choice. Once you enable Google Feed, you have to let Sweatcoin to access your Google account, so tap Allow button at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, on this section, you need to choose whether you want to or you wish to receive push notifications from Sweatcoin or not. If you don't wish to get it, you can tap No Thanks, otherwise tap Yes Please. Once you tap on Yes Please, tap Allow button and then you will get access to this section. Tap Allow Step Counting, otherwise tap Skip button. Now tap Allow again. And finally, you have come to this section where you have successfully created Sweatcoin account. Now you can usually or easily use the application on this section here. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment on this section. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.